The General Chiwenga Voluntary Supporters Association stands firm in full support of the people's call to action on 31 March 2025. Sanabda mashoko atakuona kuti aiwa panapa vakomana aiwa mavoluntary supporters egenerali voya vachiti aiwa isusu we are going to be kuside aiwa kwema citizens, we are not going to sell out. Sanabda mashoko mudanyorwa panapa kuti subscribe like on the bell icon. Tiendera mberi vanobudanyora chiti this is not a day of recklessness but a day of decisive movement by Zimbabweans who refuse to be ruled by fear, deceit, and trickery. The time for tyranny is over. The hour for accountability is now. The enemy is shaken. Furthermore, we preempt and categorically expose the treasonous move to deploy mercenaries imported from Sierra Leone assigned with the heinous mission of eliminating General Chiwenga. The foreign interference in our national affairs is an act of war. We warn those involved, your names are known, your movements tracked, and your betrayal of Zimbabwe will be met with the full consequences. To the police and the military personnel, remember your oath is to Zimbabwe, not to a rogue regime. Any orders to harm unarmed civilians on March 31 are unlawful, and we will not be forgotten. Those who serve the people's cause will be honored in history. Those who choose to be enforcers of oppression will answer for their crimes. To the brave masses, 31 March is a day of destiny. Move in unity, move in discipline, move without fear. Your safety is paramount, and we are confident that the people's will shall not be broken. The regime's days are numbered, and those who think they can rule through poisoning, mercenaries, and violence will soon face the people's judgment. We stand with the people. We stand with the General Chiwenga. Zimbabwe will rise forever. Victory is certain. Thomas Kwamurukona are in this address. Amurukona Aiwa. It will crafted no commander. Maruzituma voluntary supporters are general. What them of Muro aim to be Pamsupe Chitko. Chatuko not Aiwa. Wakomana are Vatu serious Varutoda. Pinakome section made with Mafuro Enyo. So no subscribe or like. Turn on the bell icon.